Woodworker's notebook. I made this in 2020. It's a notebook with a nice soft back cover, and on the back of it, we've got a fraction to decimal chart. That way you don't have to worry about converting fractions and decimals with calculators. Quick reference. And then on the inside, hold on, we have handy dandy reference formulas for all your woodworking needs. And then since I'm a world famous Amazon author and I wrote this book from scratch, it's full of a bunch of dots. So I'm pretty good at this whole authoring thing.
It's like a bullet journal.
Exactly. I love bullet journals. That's why I made it like this. They're approximately 1/8-inch spacing. I say approximately because Amazon doesn't print to the scale that you draw it in Illustrator, but it's really close. 3 millimeters, 1/8-inch, whatever they felt like that day, but it's pretty close.
Do you like that clip from our recent live stream? If so, you might want to check out the entire interview over here, or you might want to check out one of our other videos up here.